Hello everybody. In this tutorial we will be learning how to make tick boxes. As you can see in the screen, I have created a 4 rows interactive kind of tick boxes. So the speciality of this tick box is, as I have mentioned here, please tick all that apply, means in these tick boxes every boxes will be ticked. So in the next tutorial we will be learning about how to create a MCQ type of tick box. That means when we are checking this first dialog box or any other dialog box in that column, then rest of the boxes shall be unchecked. So for now, first of all, we will be learning how to create these boxes over here. So let's jump right into it. First of all, I'm selecting all these boxes and I'm copying the boxes, and in the paste option here is paste special and I can paste it as a picture. As you can see, I have pasted it as a non-editable picture. So when we click the picture, we have a format option here, and in the format we have crop here, and we'll be cropping to our required level. So we need just this much information over here. So I'll be placing it nearer to our source file, and we'll be deleting all these boxes. So we have a blank box here over here. Now we'll be learning how to make these kind of boxes at the first place. So to carry out the box operation, we just need a developer option in the top panel. So we should first take out the option developer. For that, we can press anywhere in this top panel. I'm pressing home button, right click, and we have the option of customize the ribbon. So a new window pops up, and in the customize ribbon option at the right hand side we have this developer option unchecked. So we need to check that and clicking OK, and now we have our developer option. And in the developer option we have different options. Actually, a developer option is required for performing coding in Excel, for performing macros and VBAs in Excel. In the upcoming tutorial, we will be learning about macros, VBAs and codings. So for now, here is an insert button, and in the insert button, here are two types of controls: form controls and ActiveX controls. Actually, form controls deals with lesser interactive kind of activities, and ActiveX controls deals with higher interactive activities. So for now, we just creating a box from the form control button. When we click this, then a plus sign will be appear. Now wherever we click, checkbox will be displayed. So we can right click it and copy it and paste it. Now we're just moving it tentatively. We will be aligning them manually later. Now while aligning them, we're just selecting them. While selecting, we should press right mouse, because while we press left mouse, then the button will get ticked. So we have over here format option, and in the format we have align. First of all, we are aligning them to the top. That means we're aligning them at the same level. So they are aligned at the same level. Again, we are going to the align option, and we are distributing them horizontally. That means we are distributing them with an even space. So now we can just create a group from here. When we create a group, then these all three boxes will disappear to combine a single box. I can Control C this, and again Control V, Control V, Control V. Now I can move this to their relative places. So now I'm again going to select all these boxes. Now I'm again aligning them, same process. So now I'm aligning them to the left, so they are aligned in the same line, and again aligning to distribute them vertically. So now they are evenly spaced. So as you can see now, our options are quite ready. All the thing that is left is to edit the text. To edit text, we just have to click the button and right click the button, and we have edit text option over here. Now we have to edit it as a public. Now the same way we'll be editing here. This is government. Now this is quite easy process. I'll be skipping the video. Now you can see I have edited the text exactly same like the picture here. Now I'm going to delete the picture. I have already told that these all boxes will get ticked. So in the next tutorial we will be learning how to make them singly tickable. That means when you want to tick the box here, then the remaining boxes will automatically be unchecked. So see you in next video.